Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we're going to make a cheesy and spicy queso cauliflower casserole. Tender cauliflower gets smothered in queso dip and topped with crunchy corn tortilla chips. For an easy casserole the whole family will love. And today's casserole specifically uses a queso dip from Costco. And we're going to add just a little bit more to this dip to make it extra cheesy and delicious. It starts by trimming our cauliflower and cutting it into large bite-sized pieces. We'll then cook our cauliflower until just tender in lightly salted simmering water. Once your cauliflower is tender, drain it well. While your cauliflower is draining, to the same pot you'll add a queso dip, cream cheese, and sour cream. Warm on low until melted together. And to our warm cheese, we're going to add some diced red pepper, chopped frozen spinach that has been well drained, a little bit of salt, our well drained cauliflower, and grated cheddar cheese. And fold everything together. Pour into a lightly greased casserole dish. And now for our corn tortilla topping, I'm simply going to place my corn tortillas in a plastic bag and crush them up by hand. Sprinkle evenly onto the casserole, and don't be shy with the topping. It's that crunch that makes it extra delicious. Now we'll bake until hot and bubbly. Queso cauliflower is such a simple casserole, but so delicious. Cheesy, spicy, and just a little bit crunchy. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.